Hello, this video shows how Mason City High School students can request courses for next year right in PowerSchool. So please follow these steps. Um, First step would be to log into PowerSchool with your normal username and password. Once you log in, you're going to want to click class registration in the left-hand panel. So once you get to that point, it's just a matter of selecting the classes within each grouping and go from there. So I'll take you through this example here. So I'm going to start with English. So it'll help you along the way. So what you do is you click this little edit button right here, and it's just read the directions. You can select up to one course within this grouping. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to click OK. And I continue to the next grouping, which is social studies. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. You may select up to this number of courses in this grouping, but in this case, I'm just going to choose a couple here and click OK. I continue, then I get to math, and it will tell you which courses you can and cannot take based on what you have already taken and passed. So it'll tell you about prerequisites for certain courses. For example, I'm not able to choose pre-calculus because I haven't met the prerequisites yet for that class, which is taking and passing Algebra 2. I can only select the ones that I've taken care of for the prerequisites. So I'm going to select this particular one here, and I'm going to go with science here. And let's just say I'm going to do this one here. And then I get to physical education. And maybe I'll choose this one. Again, I'm following the directions on the screen. Do modern language. If you're not taking a modern language, then you're not going to select one. Again, prerequisites have not been met for certain ones. Certain ones have or don't have prerequisites. So I'm going to just continue here. Going to art. And as I go along, I can see what I've chosen. So I'm scrolling back up here. I can see which particular classes I've chosen. And I'm going to continue. Let's say I'm not going to do music. Let's say I'll do a family and consumer science. Let's say I'm not taking industrial tech. Let's say I'm going to do a business education. You want to sign up for Mohawk Pride if you are needing that. I'm going to skip IJAG. You can also do NIAC classes here. So let's read the directions. It says if you intend to take a NIAC class next year, you'll need to select one or more NIAC classes from the section. If you plan to take one NIAC class first semester and two NIAC classes second semester, you would check NIAC 1 and NIAC 2B. If you plan on taking the automotive career classes, you would need to select NIAC 3, NIAC 3B. NIAC 1 counts as 1 credit, NIAC 2 counts as 2, etc. So again, those are the directions. And so let's say I'm going to select a NIAC class. You can select up to 2 courses based on those directions. And again, there's another set of directions right here just to clarify. Make sure you read those and understand those before you select. So I'm just going to go ahead and select one here. And again, NIAC classes would be for those who are eligible to take those classes. And so at the bottom, I can see so far that I've requested 15 credits. It said on this screen, it says the requirement says that I have to choose between 12 and 16. So because I've chosen 15, I've met those requirements. So at this point, I'm pretty much done. I've made my selections. I would just simply hit submit. And so that would be the process.